Well, hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. A quick video this time. I'll say quick, it's probably going to be a bit longer than I anticipate, but it's always quick in my head. I had a chap contact me the other day, Ronald San Pedro 4338. Contacted me asking me about the Eonon A303 amp and asked if there was much difference between that and the Eonon head unit without the amp. And I had a little think about it and I thought, do you know what? We've actually got two vehicles at the moment with the same Eonon head unit in it. One has got the amp, one hasn't. So I know what I can do. I can go down into the cars and do a comparison test. So been trying to think how I can do it. So I'm going to pick three bits of music, maybe a bit of pop music, bit of classical music, and maybe a bit more hip-hoppy, sort of like heavy bass sort of type music. So you got four different type, four, I can't even bloody count, can I? Three different types of music. And in both cars, because they got the same head units, I will show you a flat EQ profile on both. And when I'm in the car with the amplifier, I will just show you some of the different amplifier settings again. And hopefully I can play the same sections of the song. We'll come to the editing process really a little bit later. Play the same sections of the song after each other so you can compare and hopefully give you some sort of proper idea of whether the extra, I think it's only about 40 quid, so it's not a lot, but whether that extra 40 quid is worthwhile when you're buying the head unit. I would say yes, because I got it in my Beetle, but we might find differently, mightn't we? So what we'll do is we'll leave here now, go down into the car, and we'll set up. I'm going to use a DJI mic to do the recording, so there'll be the same mic recording it, and I will Bluetooth the music to both head units, so everything will be as identical as possible, and hopefully there will be a difference. I'm assuming it probably will be more noticeable with headphones than out of speakers, but I won't know that until I'm actually doing the edit, but we'll see what it's like. We will keep the same volume levels and the same EQ levels, and hopefully it'll give you a proper idea. Anyway, enough of me yapping. Let's get on and get it done. We're Market V,
and we're proving you don't have to be a full-timer to see the world.
Join us on our journey. In the Beetle first of all, and this is the car with the amplifier installed, the A303 Eonon amplifier. We have the same head unit in both cars. Obviously, the acoustics of the cars will be slightly different because they're not identical cars. Unfortunately, I cannot make any difference for that. What I will do is I will put the microphone I'm actually wearing at the moment, will be sat in the middle. Now, let's move to the head unit. What I'm going to show you is the settings we're going to use. We're going to use Bluetooth. So I'm coming from my phone, and if I go into settings, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the EQ, and you can see loudness is turned off and we're on the standard profile, and I'm going to do that on both cars so we have a flat profile. The only thing I will change on this one is the EQ. Now if I go through the EQs, you listen.
Classic, pop, rock, jazz, vocal, custom, flat.
Flat. So we're going to use flat, and we'll try the other ones as well. Well, I don't think we'll go through all of it. What we'll do is we'll use the flat and then compare it to the other car as well, see if it does make a difference. Obviously you've got the other settings, but you have got these settings within the actual head unit as well. Now, so we've done that, so we're going to go back. Now the next thing is the volume. Now I am going to, so you can see it, I'm going to have it set on 20 on both cars. So the volume will be on 20 on both cars, and we're going to use the Bluetooth music app. Now on my phone, this is going to be a little tiny bit harder to show you, but I will try to show you. I have downloaded 4 songs from Epidemic Sound. I'm just going to bring my phone in so you can see the 4 songs I'm going to test. It's Divergent by Sven Karlsson, Blah Blah by Hasten, That's Love by Mr. Steve, the Music Man, and Dismantle, which is a classic type song. So I'm going to play a few, a minute or 2 of all of them, but I will edit this down because we're going to be going between the 2 cars. But when I go into the other car, I will show you the same settings, which I'll probably show you now, and then we'll go to the testing, and then I'll talk to you at the end of it. So that sounds right. But we'll finish the filming in this car first, then we'll move to that car. I do apologise. We're right next to a farm, and there's lots of tractors going up and down today, so you may hear a few tractors. I can't do anything about that, I'm sorry. So here we are, we're in the EOS now, and you can see we've got the same head unit, slightly different icons on it, but it is the same head unit. This has been updated to the very latest version of the firmware. Will it make a difference? I don't know. But what we're going to do, first of all, we're going to go into the EQ, and we're going to put it on a flat EQ. So just let me find flat. Standard. So there you can see it's on a flat EQ. Volume wise, $20. So we're flat EQ and 20, exactly the same as we had in the Beetle. So go back home. The next thing I've got to do is I'm going to connect my phone to this car. What we will do, the microphone is going to come off me. It's going to go into the center of the car, so that might sound a little bit different straight away. I don't know if it does. Then we're going to go into Bluetooth music. I've already connected the phone, you don't need to see that. And then I am going to play each song. So here we go. We're going to start with Divergent by Sven Karlsson. Let's move on to the first track. Just show you this volume again. So we got set at 20. It's on a flat EQ. Let's go. Divergent by Sven Karlsson. Okay, so that was Divergent by Sven Karlsson. Now we're going to move on to Blah Blah by Hasten. That's Blah Blah by Hasten. Now we're going to move on to That's Love by Mr. Steve the Music Man.
Love is patient, love is kind. Love is your friend all the time. Love is me and love is you. Love will make you feel brand new. That's love. That's love.
I personally think I can already hear a difference, but you know, let's wait till we get to the edit. So the next one is That's Love by Mr. Steve the Music Man.
Love is patient, love is kind. Love is your friend all the time. Love is me and love is you. Love will make you feel brand new. That's love. That's love. That's love.
So that was That's Love by Mr. Steve the Music Man. And the very last track is Dismantle. Bit of classical, Dismantle. And there you are, that was Dismantle. Now, personally, I think there is a very difference in the two sounds. Yes, we're in different cars, with slightly different acoustic settings, I would imagine. There's a bit more glass in here because we've got the glass sunroof, leather seats, whereas that one's cloth seats. But you tell me, what is your opinion? Do you prefer the first one or the second one? Standard speakers on both cars, so there's no special speakers on either, no subs, no nothing. So the only difference is we added in on that one the Eonon A303 amp. Hopefully it's answered the question, and you can tell the difference between the two. Is there a big difference? Well, would you have believed that? I certainly wouldn't have. I mean, sat in the cars, they sounded different, but certainly not as different as it sounds like when I'm editing. I've literally come back down because I'd already recorded the end of this video, and after editing it, I have had to come out and redo this end bit of the video, and it's raining, yeah. Worlds apart, aren't they? Absolutely worlds apart. I mean, that sounds maybe 3-4 times louder than that one. Clarity is better. It's just absolutely perfect. And as I said, you know, standard cars, you know, standard speakers. The only difference is that's got a cloth interior, that's got a leather interior, but the amplifier, God, it makes such a difference. Hopefully this video has been really informative for you. And if it has, please consider giving the video a like. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. And we'll hopefully see you in the next video, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. And yes, there's a new van in there, but we'll tell you more about that in another video.